Hello, and welcome to Season 3 of Elevating Brick and Mortar. I'm your host, Sid Shetty, and over the past year, I've had the privilege of diving deep into some of the most pressing topics in facilities management. I've been joined by some of the most respected names in the industry, from brands like Panda Restaurants, Subway, Sam's Club, One Medical, DSW, Staples Canada, and many, many more. And we're just getting started. Season 3 is launching soon, and we're leveling up. Check us out in full video on YouTube to really get to know our guests, some of the most inspiring thought leaders in the space. They'll join me to discuss the crucial role that facilities, construction, and operations play in designing and delivering a compelling customer experience. Tune in to learn innovative ways to plan and care for your brick and mortar spaces in order to delight customers, gain their loyalty, and drive brand growth. This show is brought to you by the team at ServiceChannel, and we'd like to thank all of you for listening. We'll see you soon for Season 3 of Elevating Brick and Mortar, streaming now on all platforms.